Guys, my name is Twinkle. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be doing this makeup for party. So in case if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Click the bell icon and continue watching the video to see how beautifully this turned out. So I've already primed my face. It might be looking a little oily, but I will fix it. I will be moving on to my concealer, and for concealer I'm gonna use this Arnive palette. This is really good coverage palette. Like, it has cream contours and concealer shades, so it's really good. So I'm gonna take these two shades and start concealing my face. I know it's looking slightly light than my skin, but it will settle down in a while. So I covered my usual concealing areas. Now I'm gonna keep this aside. And now I'm gonna do foundation. For foundation I'm using this Fit Me foundation because this is heavy, so I want this to be light. Still see few things to correct, so I will just use my Fit Me concealer for that. With the same brush I will blend it. So my base is on. I know it's looking flat right now, but it will be okay in a while. So I'll set the whole face quickly using this Makeup Revolution banana powder. So it's beautifully set and it's looking really nice. Now I will finish the face quickly, and then I will be jumping on to my eyes. So to highlight, contour and blush, I am using the Sivanna Colors Ultra Blush Palette. Same palette to do my transition area. I will take this brown shade to do my transition. But this shade is looking slightly rusty orange. I don't know why. It's because of lighting. I don't know what's happening to colors because of light. Now I'm going to take this palette and do the main part of the video, that is golden eye. Now I'll be taking this shade and apply it on my lids. I love this color. Let's see how it performs on lids. So if you're wondering what palette is this is Creole Rouge Invincible palette. I already did a video on this one. I will link it in the description box. I'm going to take the fluffy brush and blend everything. So I will try to take this shimmer and dab it onto my lids. This is very beautiful yellow golden sort of a color. It's a shimmer, like it's really shimmer. So let's see how it performs on eyes. So I will take it on my fingers. Oh my god, look at the pigmentation, how pigmented it is. Like they are sticking to my eyes without the glue, so it's great. It's looking amazing actually. And they do not come off easily. Like I'm trying to remove it from here, but they are not coming off easily, so it's good. I've applied it on almost half of my eye, so you can see how it looks. And don't worry about this part, we will clean that later. It's looking beautiful. I don't know why I'm just obsessing with this. So I'm quickly gonna clean everything and apply my liner and mascara. So now I'll finish my lower lash line. It has fallouts, but don't worry about it. So I'm going to take the same brush which I used for my lid and same palette, and I'm just gonna do my lower lash line very quickly. So I'm going to take the same Creole Rouge palette. I'll be using this champagne shade which I used in one of my video, and do my inner corners. It's such a beautiful shade. I'll do it on my brow bone as well. So first I'm going to apply kohl in my eyes. I'll be using Faces Magnet Eyes Kajal. So I filled my waterline and tight line. Now I will quickly jump to my lashes. So I curled them and they look pretty nice. Now I'm gonna use this MAC mascara. This is MAC in Extreme Dimension Lash Mascara. I will mention everything in the description box, so make sure you don't miss it. I think they look beautiful. I just need to line, but I'm afraid if I line I will mess everything. So I'll be doing very carefully. Also a quick tip, instead of the brown, like I did a rusty brown color in transition, instead of brown you can even use black, or you can even use your kajal or kohl to smoke it out. But every time I do black I mess up. So I'm still learning that, but you can use brown because brown can never go wrong in makeup. So I'm gonna line my eyes using Arnive Eyeliner quickly. It's looking beautiful. I love it. It's looking really pretty. So we will finish our look with lipstick, and I'll get ready and show the final look. So I have two options with me, like I have nude lipstick and I have red lipstick. So I'm quickly gonna figure out and then come back. So I applied Lakme Absolute Drenched Red color, and this is how it is. And I topped with this liquid lipstick called Powerhouse. This is from Creole Rouge. So I mixed these two and applied. I know it's looking very bold right now, but it will settle down in a while, and I love how it turned out. stop here, or even you can switch with the nude lipstick if you want. But I'm going to a party and I just want it to be this way. So yeah, let me know how you find this look, and if you recreate, please tag me on Instagram or Facebook or wherever. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, and take care. Bye.